English-Galician. How much is, equals.
Canto custa.
Shopping phrase power. Synapse lingo welcome. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll master the essential line for prices in Galician.
Canto custa.
That's your friendly key to unlock the number before you spend. Beat it in, pronounce and groove. Let's lock the rhythm so your mouth can't forget it. Clap or tap along. Say it with a steady 4-4.
Canto custa.
Canto custa, pause, uptick. Whisper it like a price ninja.
Canto custa.
Now confident and clear, like a pro at the counter.
Canto custa.
Mini dialogue at the market. Step into a bustling stall with me. Your mission is to ask, smile, and save. You point to the octopus and ask.
Canto custa.
For the famous
Polvo.
seller, the
Prezo.
is €12. Today it's
Barato.
you, nice, if it were.
Caro.
I'd think twice. I'll
Pagar.
now. You, here's my.
Dinheiro.
Could I get a
Recibo.
please? Seller, of course. And next time you can also ask.
Canto vale?
Same idea. Forms and variants. Let's get precise so you can flex in any shop. Core question.
Canto custa.
Literally, how much costs? Variant.
Canto vale?
Also, how much is? Vocabulary boost.
Canto.
Means, how much, and the verb is
Custar.
to cost. Freebie alert. If it's free, they'll say.
É de balde.
False friend tip. Don't mix
Custa.
costs with
Costa.
coast or slope. U for price. Skill drill. Say it out loud. You and me, quick reps. IQ in English, you answer with the Galician line. Ask the price of this.
Canto custa.
Another way to ask.
Canto vale?
Say, the price is expensive.
O preço é caro.
Say, today it's cheap.
Hoxe está barato.
Say, I want to pay.
Quero pagar.
Say, I don't have money.
Non teño dinheiro.
Say, do you have the receipt?
Tes o recibo.
Culture tip. Prosa vibes. Time for a tasty cultural nudge you can use on your next trip. In Santiago's Praza de Abastos, locals pick fresh.
Polvo.
And ask.
Canto custa.
Like clockwork, haggling is friendly, if something's
Caro.
smile and check another stall, sometimes there's a surprise.
Preço.
That's more.
Barato.
If it's free at a tasting, you'll hear.
É de balde.
Lightning quiz. Ready to prove your price power? Quick answers. Q1. How do you ask, how much is, in Galician? A.
Canto custa.
Q2. Another valid variant? A.
Canto vale?
Q3. True or false?
Custa.
Means coast. A. False. That's
Costa.
Q4. Which word is price? A.
Preço.
Q5. Money, to pay, and receipt, in Galician are A.
Dinheiro. Pagar. Recibo.
Role play challenge. You're at a cafe pointing to a sandwich and a coffee. Perform the scene. Step 1. Ask the price.
¿Cuánto custa?
Step 2. If it sounds
Caro.
try the variant.
¿Cuánto vale?
Step 3. Decide and say you'll pay.
Quiero pagar.
Step 4. Ask for the receipt.
¿Eso recibo?
Bonus. If the barista winks and says it's free,
Es de balde.
smile big. Wrap up and thanks. You crushed it. Price Talk Unlocked. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
¿Cuánto custa?
And your money words like
Preço. Dinheiro. Pagar.
and.
Recibo.
For more lessons, exercises, and audio, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.